1 year. Actually, it's been a bit over a year. This was bottled on the 6th of October, 2020. Holy moly. 15+%. The bottom, it's, it's got some stuff down there, but that's fine. Now, y'all will remember this is sparkling. It's accidentally sparkling. I would like to make a nice sweet strawberry that is sparkling on purpose, but that would need force sparkling. Force sparklation. Oh, pray for me. Well, it's no longer sparkling. Okay, suddenly I have a still mead. I'm gonna pour a decent amount. That might be too much for me, considering this is over 15%. I chilled it because I was thinking it was gonna be sparkling. It smells really good. It's got like a juiciness. Maybe I should use my Sip and Savor deck. Sip and Savor, help me! Help me find the words. So if you haven't seen Sip and Savor, this was created by Doing the Most. Like, you can play games with it with a group of people, or you can just use it individually. So you've got aroma and taste together. It's all like by senses. You've got visuals, you've got just scent, and then you have just taste. So I would definitely say this is a fragrant mead. Man, now I wish this wasn't chilled. There's definitely like a juicy fruit scent to it. Because I poured off the top, it's quite brilliant. There's zero sediment in my pour, however, there is sediment in the bottle. Let's see what this tastes like, right? Ooh, okay. This did some weird things. So the whole notion that your mead just continues to improve with age, I think it depends on the mead. Because at 6 months, this was the perfect level of sparkle, and it also tasted very jammy. It was very strawberry, and it was definitely a favorite. Like, everyone loves this mead. However, it's been a year, over a year, and it's not the same. Like, at all. It's not oxidized though. These are sealed. I mean, this thing pulls down really tight, but there's almost a brandiness about it. It's just like a very rich flavor that's not very reminiscent of what it was, what it once was. Wow, that is so weird. Okay, hang on. I mean, it's still strawberry, but like, it's good, but it's weird to see what it's become over this much time. Oh my God, how would I describe this? It's very viscous. There's a lot of body in this. I would definitely say it's mouth coating. It got very rich. Like, this is not a light mead anymore. This has a vanillin like quality to it. Oh man, I'm already getting really buzzed. This is what happens. It's that high ABV. This is before I was stabilizing, and I just pushed it and pushed it and pushed it. That's why I ended up with a sparkling mead that wasn't supposed to be sparkling. There's just something very smooth about it. I'm gonna take out creamy. It feels balanced too. You do get tannin. It hits like at the end. And when you first drink it, you do get like a small spike of acidity. There's just like this little zink. Ooh, plush. I didn't notice this one. Luxurious, comforting, and warm. The brew envelops you. Enjoy it because you deserve it. Is this plush? It is. I mean, it's nice to drink. It is good. I'm just so mystified at how the flavor turned into what it did. And the more it's sort of oxidized in the glass, the more the strawberry jamminess pulls in the aroma. And I mean, these strawberries were 100% fermented. So if any of you have had this experience and kind of what your flavor profile is on that, let me know. I'm curious. Is it velvety or satiny? This game is hard. I think it's more velvet than satin. Okay. Velvety, leggy, jammy, full-bodied, creamy, mouth coating, and just body. It's got body. Those are all terms that I would use to describe this mead. Oh my golly. I want some more mac and cheese. I made mac and cheese yesterday too. I want more now. See what you did to me? You see what you did to me? Frick. How much of that? Look at that. I barely drank any of this bottle. I wonder if I could do the singing glass. I don't know how to do it. Do you know how to do it? 'Cause I don't know how to do it. I don't know how to make a glass sing. It's really good. I mean, it's like thick, almost like, yeah, like a brandyishness about it. Tastes thick. She thick though. This is one of the most viewed video series that I have on my channel is my strawberry. It's one of the first things that I filmed. I haven't watched it since I made it. I probably should. I'm gonna leave this here, and perhaps in the future I will make another strawberry mead, 100% not fermented. All right, well, thank you so much for watching this mess of a video. Yeah, and I will see you all next time. Okay, bye.